Here I have WIKO Rainbow Lite, and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery from the following phone. So let me show you how to accomplish a soft reset operation. It's especially useful when your device is frozen or just hangs. At the very beginning, if it's possible, let's hold down power key for a few seconds, then choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's remove your back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity at the left edge of the device right here. Let's just simply use your nail finger, and let's do it step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. Excellent. Now you have access to your battery. Let's remove your battery by using the cavity at the down edge of the item, and let's simply remove the whole thing by using your nail finger. That's it. As you can see, you just remove the battery. Let's put it back in exactly the same way. Let me close the back cover protection, and let me just switch on the device by holding a power key. WIKO Rainbow Lite is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.